Duol mochung'ne kedo kod mibadhi e pacho ka EACC obako nyasi mar hingo odiechieng' kedo kod mibadhi e pinje Afrika. E kinde nyasino, EACC oyango okenge mag thiro mibadhi kendo neno ni chenro mag piny owacho ochopo ne jopiny kaka dwarore.
It is a very sad state of affairs to find that many young people are openly ready and willing to participate in corruption given the chance. This is something that we must reverse. We must work towards reversing that so that young people are upheld by any actions of lack of integrity.
Corruption undermines public trust, weakens institutions, and ultimately takes away the hope of the nation. Every act of integrity, however small, contributes to building a stronger nation. When we refuse to give bribe for service, when we report corruption, when our institutions strengthen accountability, when businesses choose ethical conduct, each one of us contributes to a better Kenya.